Bw'oba oli wa Nuupu, people power. Toyita ku video eno bambi. Trust me, you're going to like what I'm going to make today. Hi lovely people. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hope everyone is doing okay. The H trends and threads. Yeah, we're back with something very much interesting. On resin, already pre-mixed, but I want to first check if my table is leveled. Yeah, that is fine. This side is a little bit slanting, but it will be fine. Yeah, that will be fine. So we're going to make some good, nice, pretty keychains for the platform. NUP platform. Yeah, National Unity Platform. So aba NUP badges zino already where ziri printed. So tugenda zikolamu keychain. I'm going to cut them in those small pieces. Then take them. Since it is NUP, okimanyi color eba red. Mateeka. Ago gaba mateeka, it has to be red. And this is paste. Ebeera so heavy, so I did not need a lot of it. Just a little bit on the popsicle stick. And then mix. Muli mutya badiya, alhamdulillah, nze ndi okay. How's been your day? Nabadde mu bukoowu bwa market day, but alhamdulillah, I'm okay now. Yeah, kati ate twetegekera next market day eriyo 25th of October. That will be the last Saturday of this October. Yeah. Naye I have 2 orders to do with these keychains. That's letter K and that round keychain. So tugenda zikolera wamu. So bw'oba oli wa Nuupu, drop your name. After making these keychains, I'm going to put names. I have 3 already confirmed. If you want one from these ones, just drop your name in the comment section. Yeah. Enkya bwe naaba tuteekako amannya, naawe eriryo nditeekeko. People power, our power. Si bwe kiri? Yeah. Kyekyo ba comrades, gye muli? Like I always say, I hate mess. So after working, I usually clean up a little bit. Then I had to cover. Kubanga obuswera bwa wano banaye bweyisa. 4 hours later, then wano ezaabadde zituuse keychains zaffe. They are a bit sticky, but yeah, not tacky anymore. So now it's time to put these flags. These flags. National Unity Platform. People power. So ndi mu kuziteekako. Yeah. Bannaaye, thank you so much. Abampagidde. Sijja kusobola kubeebaza baddiya. Abafollowinga channel eno. Those who are supporting me in always following, commenting, liking, everything, subscribing. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot. Yeah, it helps this channel grow, that's for sure. Thank you so much. Since we have a different order from this one of NUP keychains, so in the other round one, I'm going to put the name Grace. Yeah, I'm going to use the beads and then some charms on it because it's for a female. Yeah, I want to make it really, really, really pretty. And then, yeah, I think that's enough. Not too much of anything. And for letter K, since it's a gentleman's keychain, it's also a special order. I'm just going to use this fine glitter red. Today I'm in red modes, banaye. I feel like putting red everywhere. I don't know why, but yeah, so this is the resin pre-mixed. We're going to put the second layer. So we're done with the first layer. I've put everything needed. I'll now put the last coat. Yeah, since everything is now in its place, so why not the last coat? Thank you so much, guys. If you've made it this far, that means you've either liked the video or you've learned something as for now. So please consider liking, consider subscribing. Please, it means a lot to me. It helps the channel grow, and it helps push this video to very many people out there that would benefit also from it. And you know, if you're a Noop member or you're a comrade, please comment your name down if you want one of these. Yeah, if you need one of these keychains. I think I should sign out. So see you next time. We meet in another video. If you really tell me you need the next video, so let's meet there. See you. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.